The Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Jowai Circle has revealed through an RTI inquiry that there are 560 sanctioned but vacant posts in the West Jaintia Hills district, covering positions under both the District Selection Committee and the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. In response, Hito representatives met with the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills to demand that these posts be promptly filled to address the challenges faced by various departments. The organization submitted a memorandum urging upon the Deputy Commissioner and the state government to ensure that recruitment processes under the District Selection Committee and the MPSC are conducted fairly and transparently. Hito further stressed that the MPSC and DSC examinations must adhere to merit-based evaluations. To ensure transparency, they demanded the installation of video cameras in examination halls and the release of answer keys on the same day as the exams. The organization also called for expedited correction of exam papers and the timely declaration of results to avoid adverse impacts on the candidates' age eligibility for government jobs. Copies of the memorandum have also been sent to the Chief Minister of the state, the local MLAs of Jowai constituency, and the Chief Secretary.
Babung sini haki sinem mencuba, ipada haki sinem kibab khasan apa sinem mencuba, ni jio iba, bakita hi kibedan haka bor, kita kibedan haka sorkar lani mo, nganong, kita ki Mr. XYZ, ki ju sim ya kabor haka ketila jeng, te ngin nagaseng ngin bodin abai dai bakata benta ban ngi simru kalat ban kentu yaki samlama kiba sim ya gedek benta ban pun jaga exam ni kenturu yaki kemeki kiba hapok ke West Jaintia Hills district kita kibadan gajeng kikle na benta ban pun persya ya ka bamsam kiba yikun persya ban penduk pendam ya gini ki jingban sab apa ka sinong kathau jangi ngi ne kaseng kai ka bangi kran hang ne kamut bagan kotang hang ne ban ngi la nang jai bodin ban ngi la sem ba dadon kita ki ba walit ki kenan anja ke dia si ngi ru ngi panse ki haban jai de ko we ngi ha be dai bagan deng benta
audisi te kakum ka memorandum ni te benta ngi demand ta ka fair means ha ba dai bak exam DSC lakin ai de merit ya way pan ki balahi ban thoi ke exam ude ban deserve ban yo na kumjoro ni demand yaki exam paper hadin bag ledat exam yaki tu ki exam paper bagi permikloy ni demand bagi adika dekat deadline hagi jing de bag ki paper jo ki kena pada dead exam bagi de ban preslim ru ya result hadin bag ledep exam kafkum ka memorandum ni haga memorandum ni la demand bakin donki video kamera kaki asar kadai ka way baki tu exam hadin bag ledep to exam kita kenal ide ban permi mentahi ban karek paper mentahi tang ikwa ni demand ya ni asi bakin de ka fair means kafkum ka memorandum nila bo habisi tang kita hi kublai